Yeah, this is really getting very interesting. The next feature here on Instapilot, like I said, depending on the plan, it goes far because the basic plan of Instapilot doesn't have this premium feature called auto engagement. Okay, so when you go for the premium plan, that is when you can have the auto engagement feature right on your menu. As well, you could always upgrade to the premium feature if you need some of these functionalities that aren't available in your basic account. So I'm going to click on auto engagement. This is where Instapilot becomes a very robust application that grows your Instagram account, engage with your audience 247 even while you're sleeping. Okay, let's see how that works. The first thing to do is select an Instagram account. Okay, that's the first thing to do. Select an Instagram account. The second thing to do, okay, now these are some of the auto engagement actions Instapilot can do for you automatically. Okay, I'm going to take my time and explain the various stuff for you. So these are the auto engagement actions. Like I said earlier, they are the same things showing here, but these are the reports of these actions when you start the Instapilot auto engagement settings. Okay, I said the first thing to do, select the account. Remember, you can integrate single or multiple Instagram accounts on Instapilot. So select the particular account you want to use the auto engagement service on. Scroll down, select the auto engagement actions you want. Do you want Instapilot to automatically comment on people's medias, people's posts on Instagram? Do you want Instapilot to automatically like medias on Instagram? Do you want it to automatically follow some guys on Instagram? Do you want it to automatically follow back? That is, when someone follows you, Instapilot can automatically follow the person back. Do you want enable auto unfollow? That is, if you don't want your following to be so large, okay, that means when you follow a profile today, you could set it that the next 2 days, Instapilot should automatically unfollow the person. If you unfollow the person immediately, the person can get angry and as well decide to unfollow you. So it's best to set it like 2 days after. Instapilot should automatically unfollow those people. Then this is a new feature called enable direct message on follow. This is very interesting. What this means is when anybody, I mean anyone follows your profile on Instagram, whether through Instapilot or through the mobile app, Instapilot should send a direct message to that person's inbox on Instagram. So you could use this to sell your products and service directly on Instagram. You could use it to advertise your webinars. I mean, you could do anything you want to do with it. So these are the settings here. These are the settings of this auto engagement uh, for you. So what are the hashtags? What are the hashtags you want this auto engagement action to focus on? Okay, if I'm into fashion, you could say fashion. You could say fashion. You could say Kim. Okay, fashion. You could say Porsche. Say Porsche. You could say Porsche. You could say um um. Come on, I'm missing some designer's name here. Okay, you could say Gucci. You could say Versace. So you could just go ahead and do it. Okay, you could just say Polo. So I'll just add that. You click on add. So these are hashtags. You want this auto engagement action to be based on Instagram. So what are the comments you're going to tick here so Instapilot don't comment multiple times on a particular user account? What are the comments you want Instapilot to post on your behalf? Okay, I'm going to put generic stuff that could just fit into most scenarios. Okay, separate with semicolon. I'm going to write interesting. separate with semicolon, and I'm going to write good. So you see, these are generic comments that could just fit into most medias. So I'm going to click on add. I'll scroll down. Now, do I want Instapilot to particularly engage with a certain profile or profiles on Instagram? Now, if I know the name of my competitor, that means I could just easily come here and set Instapilot to engage with the audience of that profile. So I'm going to click on add. And okay, let me just say Ronaldo. I'll click on search. So it's going to go to Instagram and search for profiles that has this keyword related to Ronaldo. So you can see Cristiano here, Ronaldo shoot. You just have to click on select all. You could see it has ticked all the profiles. I'll scroll down. I'll click on add. That means I'm adding all of that profile to Instapilot to run a session all of them and carry out those auto engagement actions. So follow back. Do I want Instapilot to follow profiles only that followed me due to the actions of Instapilot, or both the ones on my mobile phone? So I could just say all sources. Do I want to follow only people that get to follow me through my auto engagement action on Instapilot, or including my mobile phone? That is the main Instagram application itself. I'm going to say all sources, or you could leave that alone. I'm going to take this to 2 days after I follow them. I shouldn't follow them, so it won't be 100% obvious. So this is where you specify the message you want to send to people that follows you on Instagram. So once anybody follows my profile, this message goes automatically to them. So you can write something like, thanks for the following. You can find out more about our product and services. Here, you put the name of your website, Instapilot.net. Okay, so you just, when you're done with all of these parameters, you've set all of these things the way you want them accordingly. You just have to click on save settings. Okay, so you see it is currently saving. Nice. Settings save. Good. Once that is done, you just have to scroll back up, then you click on start service. Starting service means, okay, you're telling Instapilot to start carrying out all of these auto engagement actions based on these settings below. In the next 30 minutes, you know, the conjure bronze, okay, periodically you see results here. For any of the results you want to set, you want to find out more information on, you just have to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to load the report right below, and you're going to see the medias, the profile liked. If it's this direct visit, it's loading up, but there's no report. If you click on direct message sent, it's going to show you the message sent and the profiles the message was sent to. Followers gained, followers unfollow. You get all of these details exclusively right on the statistics section. So I'm going to stop this service now, and this is about the auto engagement.